Hello, everybody.
Oh, hello.
This battle video is going to be a really interesting one. It is a mirror match of sorts. You've probably seen what I'm playing, but it's actually a mirror match of sorts. It's going to be a Decidueye Beheeyem that I'll be playing, which is a really cool way to play Decidueye that I haven't really seen floating out there much. But I mean, if you can get item lock and a wall all in one go, like why wouldn't you? That's what makes Vikavolt so good, is its item lock. So so we have a Decidueye Beheeyem that I'm playing against my friend Tony, and he brought over an ADP Decidueye deck, which, like, you're taking extra prizes, you're hitting for more damage, and you can wall your opponents off, so you don't mind giving up those 3 prizes necessarily from ADP. But that's what this battle video is going to be. Thanks to Tony for battling. And if you want to see the deck profile to this, that will be coming out tomorrow at the time that this comes out. So yeah, keep your eye out for that. Cool deck. Other spicy decks coming as well, so subscribe if you want to see that. Also, these are both POG format decks. Ultra Prism to Darkness Ablaze. So just know that before you comment anything about something rotating. Totally aware that certain cards are going to rotate very soon, but the POG format is not post-rotation. So without further ado, though, let's just jump into the battle. All right, heads or tails?
Let's do tails.
Okay, heads. I will go first.
Okay.
There's no way I can item lock you. Not going first.
No. Wait, you're not playing. Oh, wait. Yeah. Beheeyem. So interesting.
Okay.
I think that's smart, though.
It's an interesting concept.
I mean, you're just basically, instead of doing, what's that little squirrel with the...
Greedent.
Instead of doing Greedent, you're doing...
But Greedent doesn't item lock you. It's just like, it hits 120 and then goes away.
Right, but you're now reversing it.
Exactly.
By doing it with the item lock.
I think item lock is better.
Better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, the only difference is Greedent goes back to hand. So it's more consistent in that respect.
Yes, you don't lose the twin. It's only 2 colorless.
It's a twin energy.
So
you don't lose it.
Yeah, there is
Well, you
more
don't lose the triple either, because it all shuffles back in.
But you still have to dig it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
That's where this one can be an issue. It's like finding that. But if you don't, and if your opponent doesn't have an answer,
yes,
then you just hit with Decidueye, and you're chill.
Hey, Beheeyem was a thing for a while, so. Yeah,
right.
Let's hope so. I hope it starts back in early 2021. All right, let's see.
I'm just gonna get the mully. Oh yes, there we go. There's a mulligan. I think you've mulliganed every game.
It's this playmat.
It's this playmat. You want to get a new playmat? Oh no, it's the mulligan playmat.
It is the Mulligan playmat. It's Gardevoir.
Big mulligan energy here.
It is.
2 hours later.
Guys, look at this. I finally got 3
Hey.
Ooh, wait.
Okay, I will take my cut over to this. I will take my 7 mulligans.
My name's Sean. I want to get my 7 mulligans.
5, 6, 7. Okay. And then I will draw for turn.
All right. Ooh. Okay.
Okay, indeed. What is the way I want to do this? Interesting.
You play Jirachi in this build? No Jirachi.
No Jirachi.
No Jirachi. Ooh.
Bold choices,
Very bold.
I know.
Very bold.
We're gonna Pokemon Communication that into the deck.
Yep.
We are gonna grab ourselves a Rowlet.
That one is if you play Bird Keeper.
Yeah.
No energy to attack.
I don't play any Bird Keepers. I just don't have the other Rowlet. I would normally choose the other Rowlet. Let's go ahead and Netball.
Okay.
Get our Grass Energy out.
Actually, that's a smart thing. I should have added a netball. It's mine.
It's good. I only have 3 Netballs, so I can't actually loan you any. But
it's fine. It's one
of those weird cards that it's like I just didn't really buy much Lost Thunder, so I don't have a lot of Netballs.
I mean, grass. I feel bad for grass. It's
put the Netball down. Go ahead and attach.
Okay, alright.
not a lot I need to do.
I hate you.
I mean,
I don't have too much either, so don't worry.
you may have the everything you need though to get me into a bad spot.
We'll see. I'm gonna need a miracle. We do not have a supporter rate. Well, not the supporter that I want. Rowlet.
Cynthia and Caitlin in there. Or something. I mean, it's a draw supporter. It's not terrible.
No, I wish I had.
But if you got a Belelva, then it's not ideal.
Now that's banned. What do you feel about it?
It's not banned for POG.
Not for POG, but for
But it will.
moving forward.
I think the ban into an errata is actually the right call. They are.
Where are they gonna fix the? Where are they gonna change it to? That's my question.
I mean, people have different thoughts. I've talked to a couple people, but I think if they made it once per turn for Miss Magus and once per turn for Belelva, that's plenty. Because like you still need the card to be good, right? Like it's just the problem is you could surge double Belelva, and then so that's 6, right? And you think to yourself, okay, well, that's fine in a world where the best milling card you have outside of that can only mill 2 or 3. But now you have Toxtricity Mill, which is basically Magcargo GX attack on a coin flip. So now you have a pretty consistent way to mill 11 cards every turn. Like that's not kosher. Like you can't do that. Oh, thank you for the host. Thank you for the host. I think that's Fiend Bust Manko. Thank you. Big charm on Rowlet. Ooh, I like this. Okay.
All right.
Pass.
Pass to you.
Draw for turn.
13 cards. What are you gonna do, Sean?
Rare Candy. Decidueye. Let's go ahead and evolve into this Beheeyem. Attach an air balloon.
Smart.
And then we are gonna. Oh man. I guess. Can I afford to do this? Yeah. I actually think I can. I'm gonna research.
Okay. All right.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then we are gonna treasure away this Pokecom. No, we're gonna treasure away this Switch.
Okay.
Get an LGM out.
And the loop begins.
And the loop and the item lock begins. You're absolutely right. Put that down. Attach triple. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit you for 90.
Okay.
And you are item locked.
Okay. Can't use that rare candy. I can't do much.
I will promote Decidueye, obviously.
Water. Just make sure Decidueye is only for attacks against it, right?
Yes. You can have effects based on like.
So I can GX.
Yeah, you can GX.
All right.
Doesn't take damage. That's the main thing. Is this does not take damage.
All right. All yours.
All right. Let's see here. We are gonna treasure away. Oh, this is interesting. It's actually netball.
Okay.
So this is where the deck starts to fall down sometimes, is if you can't get the loop.
Oh, you didn't get this treasure?
I do, I just don't have the triple.
Ah.
But we actually have a pretty good situation. I'm gonna attach Boss the Rowlet.
Yes, that's a good one. Yeah, you knock it out, right?
Yep, and we're just gonna go ahead and knock that Rowlet out.
All right.
So you are out of item lock, but you do not have
this is
way.
110, right?
Yeah, that is 110 now because of the 20 damage spread. Now is it 20? It's 20 to 2 Pokemon.
Ooh, Okay.
So.
I'm no longer active. Okay. That's what we'll do. Do that.
Okay. The item lock last turn was pretty helpful, actually.
The last one?
Yeah.
No, I didn't
The
have any
one
items.
turn? Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
I did not have any items. I totally did.
Fair enough. Dead hand is fine.
I was like,
I was thinking maybe like if you didn't have the energy and you had spinner, that would have been pretty rough.
I mean, thankfully I had to spin as a person. That's the only thing.
Okay.
That's the only thing that saved me. I need to go back in. Do that. Boss.
Okay. Gonna take a couple prizes while you can.
Well, I can. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. Knockout.
Okay. Take 2 prizes and power something up. Draw for turn. Huh. Interesting. Let's put Chaotic Swell down. And
Take the 2.
And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit you for 90 and 20 to both of the bench.
Okay. Alright. Spread begin. Alright. Draw. Look at here.
You get the green here. It's not that crazy.
If I wish I had it. Nada. Alright. It's okay. Alright. Not the big now. Alright. We're gonna. Let's do. 7. Found all my scores.
Like I researched into all the things I wanted to have earlier.
That's very cute. Yeah, I'll just do the attack for the effect.
Okay. Spin.
Just then.
Draw for turn. Okay. Pokemon communication.
Question is, do you want to put anything down?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm like, it's like, I'm not sure I do, if I'm honest. But I'm also in an interesting spot where like you need to take. Just worried that once you get into the Rowlet, you're gonna start hitting me for 90. If I get you to 40 down, I'm still 10
I'll
damage.
get you 120. But he won't be able to one-shot you.
But I can't one-shot you back.
Yeah, that's true.
So, let's see here. What do we have to work with? This might be a bad play, but I feel like it's okay to go for it. Because if I can find a way to make you shuffle your hand back in, that's my main thing right now.
Why would you want to do that?
Let's go ahead. Let's thin a little bit. Let's treasure. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's go ahead and grab.
Okay.
Don't want to give you too many options. Too many easy win cones. Got the Dene.
Okay.
6. Pound pad.
Nice. Yeah, if you get that boss, it's pretty much game.
So that's sort of my thinking is like, okay, not testing best deck in format, so much hate.
Hey, don't burn them up. You can go to other sites. Like that.
Let's treasure.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Marnie.
Hate you so much.
Sorry about that. I'm just like, I'm sitting here. 4, 5. Quick ball.
Yep.
Just thinning at this point. Just going for it. Okay. I'm gonna hit you for knockout,
Okay.
and then put 4, yeah, two on each. 1, 2, 3.
The
Two.
world loves me today. Alright, we'll do that.
I feel like that was a good set of plays.
Oh, that was, you did what you needed to do. Thanks, Sean.
It's always that moment when you're like, do I hit Dene? It's like, against ADP, is that a good thing? And I'm like,
But even if I got your Dedenne, I still have to
take one more prize.
take one more prize. It was the right move to do. Oh, knockout. Chaotic Swell.
Okay.
Do research.
All right.
I need a double whammy at this point. Did I get it? Did I get it? And I did not.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can't get into that Decidueye.
You got it. You got this game.
Okay. All right, we'll scoop this up.
Such a bad start.
All right.
Yeah, I had it in hand and then you Marnie me, so that was the right call
Well,
for sure.
you had a big hand, and I was just like, I feel like you're gonna have the boss here.
Yeah.
And the thing is, I only play one boss in this deck, so
I mean,
it
you're
worked.
item locking. You're not like.
Exactly. And I have Pal Pad, so I'm like, okay.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
It's funny, the item lock didn't matter. How am I not testing Boltund? I don't think Boltund is good. It's good for POG. I think Boltund is maybe good for POG, except for ADP.
Is it a straight Bolton deck or is it what?
Turbo Boltund, yeah.
Okay.
Because you can use Shuckle and you can use Zero Auras GX. The problem with it is, honestly, the more popular ADPZ is, the worse that deck gets. Because even with Toughness
And
Cape...
ADPZ is going to be popular.
Yeah, even with Toughness Cape, Zacian hits you for knockout, and you're like, well, take these 3 prizes. So I don't think you can really win the prize trade against ADPZ, even with that.
Mm-hmm.
So until ADPZ is not a deck anymore, I just think Boltund is a tier 3, tier 2, tier 3 deck.
Yeah, I think, ADPZ is always the gateway now. So
Yeah.
That's the gateway.
And that's the only reason this deck has a chance is because it has Decidueye, right? I'm like, without Decidueye, there ain't no way a 1 prize deck really stands much of a chance.
No,
Except
not yet.
Spiritomb. Spiritomb is a weird...
Spiritomb and Bucephal.
Yeah, and Bucephal, yeah.
But that will go away soon, so.
Alright.
Alright. Come on, gods. Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Wow.
Samesies.
It doesn't matter. You can.
Do you want to go first or second?
We'll go. I'll go second. I don't
Oh,
care.
damn. Okay.
Yeah, because I already saw my card.
All right. I mean, would you normally go second with that deck?
I would probably still go first, but if I had to go second, I wouldn't cry.
Well, go first then.
No.
Because you get to choose. You lost the last game, so you get to choose.
Oh, okay. Well,
if you would normally go first, then go first.
Well, yeah, I would normally go first, but actually I don't want to go first. But it's okay.
Oh, okay, then go second.
Okay, I'll go first. We
Okay.
gotta test it out. All right, Turf Stadium.
Thin the
Let's
deck
see.
out.
Thin the deck out. I mean, it benefits you too, unfortunately. So it's kind of like, what the hell?
That is very true.
Go
It
away.
does benefit me right now.
Like, I mean, that's what it is.
This will be interesting to see, though, honestly.
We will do that.
Okay. Ooh, interesting.
And I will just pass, man. All yours.
Okay. Let's draw for turn. We are gonna quick ball.
Mm-hmm.
Away. Switch. We'll go back in, actually. You're gonna Pokecom, Beheeyem.
Mm-hmm.
What else do we want to get here?
Dilly-doo.
Get another Elgium out. Research. Hate toss on a triple, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then we are gonna just pass.
Okay.
There's not too much this deck can do on the first turn, anyways.
Okay.
I could confuse you, maybe.
You could.
Actually, I can't. I don't have psychic.
You don't have your
energies.
psychic. Alright, so now I actually get to go.
All
I'm
right.
going first, so he's going now.
Oof.
Got my greens going. Let's see.
Oh, you can't greens.
Oh, you are right. Oh,
Do you want to hold off? Do you
Yeah,
want
we'll
to
hold off. We'll hold off.
Hold
Good
off
job,
before
good
you do
job.
that.
You guys, you only use greens once. There you go.
Yeah.
So we're gonna
Greens first.
greens first. Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we'll do that. Good reminder. I'm like, wait. It's the one thing.
Wait
about
a
this deck.
minute.
Wait a minute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Let's see. We are going to go with those two. Then I'll go ahead and play the tap call.
Mm-hmm.
Do, 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 do.
Phoenix is the place to
Try those
be.
two. Yeah, so with this deck, green is there just to get you set up, and then you are done with it. I only played
Done.
3. I don't even do the 4 count. Alright, then I'll do the rare candy, get that guy
There.
going, blah blah blah, you get the trick.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What do you mean?
Kazoo Kid.
What?
It's when I said wait a minute, I was making a Kazoo Kid reference, and
I was
Ongar
like,
got it.
I was like, oh, like I'm 20. Alright, knockout, and then let's do.
That's 20 to both.
Yeah, that's true.
That's how it'd be.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's draw for turn.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and roll that.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
You really need to get your Decidueye up.
Air balloon.
Yep.
Let's quick ball away a switch.
Okay.
Great catcher.
Mm-hmm.
Air balloon boss's order.
Mm-hmm.
Put that down. Marnie.
Mm-hmm.
Turfield.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I do play some Dartrix in here because,
Okay.
you know, sometimes you don't hit it.
Smart. Smart. Don't blame me. Don't blame me.
We're gonna evolve.
Okay.
Up. There. Patch a
Yeah.
triple.
There you go. There you go.
And yeah. And we are just gonna
Pass.
go ahead and hit you. Go ahead and item lock you there.
Okay. No items. That was a good morning.
I feel like with no items, I don't see any way that you can switch out of this.
No, there's no way.
So-
No. Unless I had a porter,
A bird keeper.
bird keeper, but I'm not playing that. Alright, let's do
Dartrix.
So the Kalen. Football. 3. 3. I don't want anything back. Let's see. Okay. Do that.
A critically timed item lock.
Okay. Pass.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's draw for turn.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
There you go.
Ball. Let's attach.
Okay. You got 2 grass on there? Yeah.
Treasure away a Beheeyem.
Okay.
Put that down. Research.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go ahead and pass.
Okay. Draw.
Ugh.
Perfume. Let's see.
All right. I feel like these decks are like maybe boring to watch.
Oh, no.
But they're
Oh, no.
very slow decks.
They are. It's like Obstagoon. It's like
Yeah.
Obstagoon versus Obstagoon. You're like, oh boy.
Oh, you don't just put 90? I didn't attack.
Didn't you?
Oh no, I
no.
hit you with the Elgium, that's right.
The last one. The last one.
The Beheeyem, I should say.
Yes. Yes. All right. We're going to open here.
Ugh, you have items back. Gross.
Go. It's not your fault. We'll grab faster. decisions. Presser.
So is that how many bosses? This is just the first boss that you're down?
First boss, yeah. That one is now gone. Spinner.
Spin it out a little bit.
A little. Well, I gotta prepare for the item walk.
That's true. That's true. That's very true.
This is that's the reason why I even did all this. Was because of that. All right, Mister. Not just GX.
Okay. Draw for turn.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go ahead and evolve.
Yes.
Choose Mahala.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get rid of Dene and switch.
Okay.
Triple swell and
Nice.
no more tool cards, unfortunately. Turf field. So we might as well use it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before we get rid of it. Bump it.
Yep.
Then we are gonna treasure and get rid of Decidueye.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the last time I'm going in. Okay. Let's throw that down. Attach. Retreat. Attack with Beheeyem for 90. Item lock.
90. Yep. Get the drill.
Same, but different.
Alright. Draw. Yeah, man, let's do that. Yeah.
The hard retreat.
Hard retreat. Yeah, thanks, Sean. Appreciate it. You're the best.
Knockout.
Marnie.
Okay. Oof. That's a nasty knockout, I'm not gonna lie.
It's necessary. That 20 in the beginning was clutch. Okay. Knockout in 2020. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't do anything.
So I'm like, I have to get set against you.
Yeah. Draw for turn. Let's go ahead and netball.
Mm-hmm.
What do I even
Yes, ADP Decidueye.
Let's get this.
It's clunky, but it hits the numbers.
Pokemon communication that back in. Let's go ahead and get that. Rare candy.
Mm-hmm.
And let me shuffle this up now.
Mm-hmm.
We're going back in. Research.
Okay. Alright.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If you hit me for 120, but then nice attach.
Mm-hmm.
Beheeyem.
Mm-hmm. If you hit me and I'm down,
Gotta check something.
You get one. You have no energy on this card, right?
Mm-mm.
No energy. Okay.
Unfortunately, let's just see 1, 2. Oof. That's not ideal.
What are you trying to get? You could. Hey, if you had turbo patch, you can put a little dude down and just turbo patch it.
Yeah, I don't.
Or BD.
Not sure this is gonna do me any good, but let's go ahead and treasure. Actually, no. What am I treasuring? That. Just treasure rare candy.
Okay.
This is a weird set of plays that I have to do.
I'm like trying to figure out what you're trying to do.
I have to give you a prize because I cannot power this up in one turn.
Right.
And this gets shuffled back in.
Okay.
So I can't put this back to the front.
I got it. I understand.
So, hit you for 90.
Yeah.
Promote the Elgium.
I got it. You're just
Yeah.
buying time.
Because you need 3 prizes still, so you can still knock out 1 Pokemon. And I'm okay. And once I knock this out, then I'm basically fine.
Yes.
So that's
You
kind of
went
where I'm
more
at.
or
Oh,
less.
thank you for the 40 biddies. Count the money. ADP, yeah, that's an ADP Decidueye, and this is an ADP Beheeyem. So, and put 20 on that.
Oh,
no,
dang.
not 20. That's right. 180. I've
180.
never gotten an
That's
attack
okay.
off without this game.
Oh. All right. Some thinking to do. All right. We'll do this first.
Okay.
Bring this guy down. You item locked me, right?
Yes. It's frustrating.
Very. Smart.
I'm thinking like I think you have 1 play that's a pretty good one.
If I knock this out, you only get 1 energy on still.
Yeah.
But you're hoping to get the other guy,
Mhm.
power the other guy, and take care of that. Ugh. Okay. Oh man, you put me in a weird pickle on this one.
It's weird, right?
It is weird.
This is a weird matchup. I don't think nobody's ever done
Very
this
weird
matchup. I can
matchup.
guarantee
No.
you that.
No one decided this. Let me tell you. Ooh. Yeah. What do I do? Yeah. All right. Let's knock out.
20 on
20,
both.
20. Yeah.
Let's draw for turn. Thinning is winning. Trick ball.
Speaking of your new shirt. Just wear that to regionals.
Kind of am like.
This is some
You
spice. for
cannot
real.
power that up in 1 turn either.
No. I don't play Turbo Patch.
So get that out. The Turbo Patch don't work on him either.
Oh wait, because it can't.
Yo, thank you for the sub count of money. Thank you.
Wait, Turbo Patch doesn't work on it?
Not GXs.
I thought that was Piers.
No, it's Turbo Patch doesn't work on GXs. Piers, you can go get any darkness and any energy. It doesn't attach the
Oh,
energy.
wait, not Piers.
B.
Rose.
Oh, Rose. Rose only works on
On
VMAXs.
VMAXs. And then.
Turbo Patch only works on basics, but not GXs. Because that would be broken.
Really?
Like Turbo Patch with ADP is so
Oh, shit, I
broken.
didn't know that. I know that Kate, you can't put it on GX. I didn't know Turbo Patch didn't work either.
Let's go put this Elgium down. Marnie?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got it.
It's the 5th card.
Jeez.
Get that. Let's get that. Let's go ahead and netball. Then he's winning. Like 6 cards in deck.
Oh, you got everything. Well, that's actually good if you're at this.
For Beheeyem, I think I just got to figure out like
a way to kill me.
Yo, gonna send you my Sylvally Stonejourner and Teleon V max list.
Oh, you always should.
Yo.
I'm gonna play a little Stonejourner in a little bit, so stick around for that.
Let's go ahead and hit you for knockout.
Oh, painful. Painful. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I could damage you for... This attack does 10 damage to one of your opponent's Pokemon. Wow. Okay. Man. Yeah, we're gonna have to bring this guy up.
So you are item locked.
Again, thanks. Appreciate it.
That.
Alright, we'll do this.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right.
Yeah. Check something. Alright, I need a mirror. Knock that out. Bill.
Oh wait, I just took a prize. That was my first prize at the game.
Huzzah! You're like, yeah,
I didn't even realize.
I got a prize.
It's
Look
like,
at that. Man, dude, it's like really creepy. Yeah.
You're down to hold on. You're down to 1 prize. I'm still at 5 prizes.
I have to pass, man. That's all I can do because I got the item locked to me.
Okay, so let's draw for turn. This is interesting. You're gonna go ahead, attach ordinary rod. Let me see here. 1, 2. 3. I don't know why. Yeah, there's definitely one in there. So yeah, that's good. Those back in. Oh boy, howdy. It's basically the Rose engine that's split with the 2 types. Okay, nice.
So I have a hard time trying to get enough of the energies discarded.
What is this? Is this a Sombra? Did Sombra just go live or did somebody, I don't know. Something popped up on my screen and I was like, what's this? Maybe Sombra just went live. Okay. And then we are gonna research.
Of course, naturally. Can you just deck out?
5, 6, 7.
Don't tell me you did not get the dang thing.
I did get the dang thing.
Okay. Alright. I was like, Sean.
Beheeyem. So this is where it gets funky, right?
Okay.
Is I can't actually give you something to attack with, to attack against. How many waters are in your discard? 1, 2, 3. I feel like that's all your waters. So do I take the risk that that is all your water energy? Skill Dive does... Just Skill Dive, it doesn't get boosted, right? By
This
ADP.
attack does 10...
Because it's not... Your base damage is 0.
This attack does 10 damage to one of your opponent's Pokemon.
Like,
the base is 10.
But does Alter Creation affect this? Does this now do 40?
It only if I choose an active.
Oh, okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
I'm
that's
pretty sure that it works only for active. But then it's still 10 on the bench. Because it just allows you to select, but it still does 10 base.
Because I'm trying to think, like, if I hit you and I let you out of item lock on the following turn, but I still need 2 energy on this, then if I take a turn off, you evolve.
Oh, because you don't have any energy on that little.
Exactly. So that's the situation I'm in. So I'm like, but I know you probably play Aurora. I know you play Auroras in here, so you might very well have another energy. So I think I do have to be very conservative with this, unfortunately.
Okay.
And just
you guys, this is like the match of the century. Just letting you know.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit you.
Okay.
90.
All right.
I'm not gonna put another Pokemon down.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
You don't want to?
No.
Why not?
I wish it knocked you out, but no.
So I'm item blocked, right? Okay.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad that you enjoyed the interview. We did an interview with Drayden Davis about the POG Championship. He's one of the organizers.
Oh, yeah.
So we are going to attach
Yep.
Marnie.
Sean.
Infinite supporters. 2, 3, 4, 5. And pass.
Draw. All right. Here.
Okay.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And you can finally use items again.
I can. I know. Green.
Oh, is it happening?
Does it happen? It just might. I don't know yet. I need a lot to happen.
Ooh.
All right, green.
I don't think you can. I mean, maybe you have it, but I'm just trying to think of like, I don't know if you can power it up fast enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah. The only thing on my advantage is the price counter right now. That's the only thing I have.
Yeah, I've taken one prize. Okay, so you're gonna go get the weird candy and the incense. Grab the.
Yeah.
Assume you're gonna grab the Decidueye with that.
Wait, do I even have it? I might have priced the last one.
Yes, that's your one prize left.
Oh my god.
Did we do it? Did we do it?
The world is so unkind to me. What?
Yes!
Wow.
Beheeyem Decidueye. Is this happening?
Oh my god. I hate the world.
Bruh.
I hate the world. Oh my
Bruh,
god.
you've all seen it here first on Twitch.
Oh my god.
Beheeyem
Oh my god.
Decidueye.
Oh my god.
I mean,
I should have checked.
Vikavolt is going to be very good.
Yeah, Vikavolt's
But-
where it's at.
You know what? I'm going to do a deck profile on this. I'll maybe, like, I don't know if I'll make any more tweaks, but Beheeyem Decidueye maybe is the item lock deck that nobody's expecting. Just going to say that now. It'll be in the video, but boy, howdy.
Oh my god.
Okay. Let's draw for turn. Cycle energy.
Smart.
And hit you for 90, 20 to both of the bench.
Alright. Ooh, man.
Go down to
man.
two prizes. Beheeyem Altaria will be better, but
Much
Beheeyem
better.
Altaria
Much better.
won't exist for POG. This is the spice for POG.
Oh my god.
I don't know, maybe it's not good on guard. I'm definitely hyping it, but
Faster.
okay.
Sure you don't want to put anything down?
Nah.
You sure?
Nah, I'm not a big fan of other Pokemon.
Oh, come on. What's the worst that could happen, you know?
You can gust something up and trap it in the active, and I'm really not sure. I guess if you hit for
Can't do
40
anything.
and 40,
I still can't win, because it's like 40, 40, 80, yeah, you got it.
oh
My
man.
god.
Beheeyem Decidueye takes down an ADP deck.
my
Your
God.
last, that's so unfortunate.
Oh my god.
Although this was one of my prizes. I was kind of like,
I mean, that would have been...
That would have hurt
That
a
would
little
have hurt
bit.
with the item lock, but you have to time it with the item lock.
This was my deck. That's so stupid looking. Oh.
Oh my god, I can't...
Bruh.
No.
Bruh. All right, so that was the battle. I think what you could see that was really interesting is, yes, it's a very slow battle. Like you have two wall decks battling each other, but item lock can be super powerful. I mean, it's obvious, right? If you've played item lock in the past, Seismitoad, if you've practiced with Vikavolt, but combining that with this Decidueye, yeah, it's just, there was definitely some interesting weird spots. I know that probably Tony and my list isn't perfect, so like maybe some awkward moments there, but I really do like it. I like Decidueye Beheeyem. I like ADP Decidueye as well. Might be a good option. But yeah, that's going to do it. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, deck profile comes out tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you in a future video. Carpe awesome.